Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Listen, if you're a corporate professional or maybe an investor and you are looking to transition from building someone else's wealth to finally building your own, well, you are exactly in the right place. Today, we're unpacking the blueprint to ownership with the Handyman Connection franchise. We're going to look closely at the precise business model, the massive growth potential, and the operational value that makes this such a standout choice for smart, forward-thinking investors seeking a really scalable, recession-resilient framework. Let's get into it.
So are you ready for a fulfilling, passion-driven business that actually gives you ultimate work-life flexibility? Here is a kind of surprising fact about the home service industry. Many of the absolute most successful franchise owners aren't out there swinging hammers or climbing ladders. No, they're executives. For ambitious professionals like us, the dream isn't just about making a fantastic income, right? It's about building a highly efficient financial engine while having the freedom to actually enjoy the life you're creating. And Handyman Connection? They've built a franchise system specifically designed to validate that exact ambition, perfectly balancing serious financial growth with real personal freedom.
Now, to really understand why this model works so incredibly well, we gotta go back a bit, specifically to 1991. In the franchise world, longevity is literally the ultimate proof of concept. Handyman Connection isn't some flash-in-the-pan startup testing things out on your dime. They literally helped launch the home repair industry as we know it today. That means you are stepping into a battle-tested playbook that has successfully weathered multiple economic cycles. And that remarkable history, it translates directly into rock-solid trust and brand recognition from day one of your operation.
So how exactly do they maintain that massive level of trust all across North America? Well, their entire operational DNA is rooted in 5 absolutely crucial core values: service, craftsmanship, trust, community, and home. And look, this isn't just corporate speak. In the home services sector, trust is quite literally your most valuable currency. Operating with a service heart and prioritizing exceptional craftsmanship ensures that every single customer interaction completely exceeds expectations. That level of care naturally transforms one-time fixes into a highly predictable recurring client base for you as an owner, and that is what drives massive long-term enterprise value.
Grow and thrive with flexibility. That is the ultimate goal here, and it's elegantly simple. When you step into this franchise, your daily routine is going to profoundly shift from the standard corporate grind to true empowering ownership. The mission remains perfectly clear: build a highly lucrative business while keeping your work and home life in perfect balance. Because, as we discussed a minute ago, you aren't the technician out in the field doing the physical labor. You are the CEO. You're managing the business, steering its growth, and creating a scalable lifestyle that finally works entirely on your terms.
Okay, so what does the actual day-to-day reality of this ownership model look like? It's really a dynamic executive split that keeps the work constantly engaging and highly strategic. On one hand, you've got your office management. This involves directing your internal staff, overseeing daily operations, and recruiting top-tier craftspeople to skillfully fulfill the client work. On the other hand, you are out and about in your community. You're providing customer quotes, aggressively marketing your services, and networking to build highly profitable local relationships. It is a very active, high-level leadership role that keeps you perfectly dialed into your specific market's needs.
Now, when you think of traditional home improvement, you might just picture, quick, one-off single fixes. But the reality of your revenue engine here, it is much broader and far more robust. You are offering a massive, comprehensive suite of services. We're talking carpentry, remodeling, electrical, plumbing, maintenance, and incredibly high-demand areas like aging-in-place modifications. For a savvy investor or multi-unit operator, this means multiple, highly diversified, year-round revenue streams that essentially insulate your business from those seasonal dips. You are effectively capturing the entire spectrum of home repair needs within your exclusive territory. It's a real game changer.
All right, of course, as a savvy investor, your next absolutely critical question is going to be about the barrier to entry. What does it take? The total initial investment ranges from roughly $110,000 to $231,000. To put that into perspective, in the broader world of franchising, especially for a brand boasting over 3 decades of national presence and an incredibly robust support infrastructure, this is a highly competitive and wonderfully accessible entry point. It's an investment structure purposefully designed to position you for a strong, rapid return on investment.
Let's break those numbers down just a little bit further because it really proves how streamlined and transparent this whole financial concept is. To qualify, you're going to need a minimum net worth of $200,000 and liquid cash of $110,000. The model runs on a standard 6% ongoing royalty plus a localized 2% ad royalty to really fuel your community marketing engine. You're securing a 10-year renewable agreement, which gives you ample runway to build massive long-term equity. Oh, and importantly, for our military veterans out there, there is a fantastic $10,000 discount off the franchise fee to help you get started.
So if this strategic executive model sounds like it aligns perfectly with your wealth-building goals, the roadmap to ownership is actually incredibly clear and actionable. Think of this as a really exciting acquisition process. Step 1 is a deep dive review of the financial model to ensure it maps to your exact lifestyle and income targets. Step 2 is securing your exclusive local territory. And listen, prime, high-demand markets absolutely do go fast for sure. And step 3 is launching into your direct consultation to formally map out your specific, customized growth strategy.
Your future is absolutely an investment worth making, and honestly, it is time to take decisive action. Visit our website right now. The exact link is right there wherever you are watching or listening to get the deep dive franchise details, lock down your exclusive territory, and begin your direct strategy consultation. Thank you so much for exploring this explainer with me today, and I'm going to leave you with this one final provocative thought. If you don't take control of your financial independence today, whose wealth will you spend the next 10 years building? Think about that. I look forward to seeing you take that next step.